everybody. This is the trade of the week idea. There's a disclaimer, not going to read it, but there it is. It's not a trade signal. We have discussed this at length in the live room, and this video is just a short recap of an idea for a big opportunity that may transpire in the near future. All trade ideas are for educational purposes only. All right. Let's go to the charts here, and hold on here. You can see. All right. So we're looking at the pound Aussie. We have a little small pullback here. As you can see, it's a bear flag. All right, when we got a ABC continuation pattern, ABC continuation pattern. So we're looking for the breakout to the downside, right? So the ATR on the pound Aussie currently is 116 pips. And so that's the target tonight, 77.39. Pretty easy to see the trade. It's trade one, trade two, trade three, and hold for the target, and hold for the fib down here at 77.18. That's a big opportunity, probably about, if we get it all, it'll be about 130 pips, folks. So let's go take a look and see what the chart says. And you can see that the chart is beginning the process of transitioning to the downside. We're closing up here. We're starting to close up here. We're going sideways here with a big Tom DeMark resistance, and the same thing here, resistance, okay? So it's a little early for the pound Aussie to move at this point in time, but if you get that trade, it'll be sweet. So will it happen? Nah, I don't know if it's going to happen, but be aware of it, be on the lookout for it. And if you get a chance to do it, hey, might be a nice little opportunity. All right, talk to you later.